or aids and abets in any manner any person referred in paragraph A of this clause commits the offense of high treason and shall, upon conviction, be sentenced to suffer death. Also, be bia wade ahoden enieden entrani ebetu constitution ya ye eguo anase obeye na dwen se opese oye saa no ana obi obeboa no amana ye saa de no oto Ghana mra amra ne ye fere se eye high treason chese upese wo tu aban aguo na saa nipa no se yedi wasem na ebowa yenku yentwauti yenwo wajan yemu waduro numu yenwo opane yen hangyo by whatever means your constitution no afi o say wo a wutie mi a we citizen including you efiachre who is standing at the right hand side of the father ugina ejani nsani faso bab ene wo kwame a wo she Bob Marley atade ene rasta ene ani sadat na namu akon obeti soso o se wo konje wo man edrume ne wo soso se be bi ato aso o say all citizens of Ghana shall have the right and duty at all times to defend this constitution and in particular to resist any person or group of persons seeking to commit any of the acts referred in clause 3 of this article, and to do all in their power to restore this constitution after it has been suspended, overthrown, abrogated as referred to in clause 3 of the article. And any person or group of persons who suppresses or resists the suspension, overthrow or abrogation of this constitution as referred to in clause 3 of this article commits no offense. Also, what would TM so be an advance say or pursue two constitution nugu. And as when you to go yempo. Now the one who dinina called Nisa any pacrono tentam. Ne bane say what tentam po the obey be asa de beya constitution ye best restore and I ain't too. Kwan bi abefa so bi ase bomb na abetu si tu na abetu se obeka nipa kro se obe titi no o se won to mra bia we eye Ghana constitution we nye US constitution nti ye nyina asodie eda yeso pese pa ye nyina na ye kokan ye se ye pese mfie nan minim owura bi o Ghana ha se ono de aban ba ku pe na ba Ghana ha se ya insecurity wa ha enye fe aho kire wo ho a ye twen ya ebekọ akọkire ye pese esie ntini ye kọto aba no ye say ye nyina de apa mu aka say yes sa aban through the barrel of the gun but through the ballot box this is ye Ghana ni tu sa na mo no ti wonkwa ankoye ohu ni ti for patapa na whatever ne ho ahwan sabi wonkwa de na abaye o Ghana ha wo de enko mum ye nya sa ne manema no na ya so munwe ye na wokọ amama na omatumpo na sabi o mo dwene se be ya train ya ko 400 and something kilometers na be ko be 600 o mo dwene se be ya be ko moon se be ya be nya clean energy sa ne ma no mo dwene ho makasa wi
piao Misha no ana waka
yes I mean your birthday dedication
yeah,
me dedication.
Ah, the dedication ye ne enko.
Dedication no cry on fa. Okay.
O the eco constitution.
Yeah, I must mean dedication back.
Oh, okay.
Where sister Araba, na your birthday. Mrs. Endurance Amwa Hazel, your frau Araba. Senka Dua Chana e kan ko be kan say Alaba. Enti Endurance Amwa Hazel, madam of Royal House Chapel, Sunyane. It was your birthday yesterday. And also to you, Patience Samoa, Mrs. Priscilla Ado, of Full Gospel Church, Dansuman, Russia. Today is your birthday. Okay, sister, thank you so very much. And then from my own friend and brother, Mr. Segbefia, you want me to wish, who am I wishing? Charles Kwekudua, aka Chase of Chase Pub, Railway Station, Cough Town, Cough City. Your birthday happens to be today. Enjoy. Mumanum Bosopa, Ewa Chase Pub ho Emayen. And then also, so for my me, Amasapon Kuma wishes me to wish Lawyer Morris Ampa, yeah, me ankasa madam.
Hey, Lawyer one.
Yes,
Aye.
Lawyer Morris Ampa,
Lawyer
it's your
Morris
birthday today.
Wow.
From all of us, especially Amasapon Kuma. And then who else? Mamencha me Dr.
Okay.
Bonzi. Only our many mammy. Or no, yeah, me glasses in mammy. Who say fit me? Where are side hand? Oh, yeah, the motor for quanchen, no, didn't papa with her.
Drosu come.
Yes, a room.
Anna.
So just well, just me.
Debbie, sir.
Also, she can't say room. I said,
no, a draw,
a draw, dear womb, a room.
Now, draw the end comes okay.
Out the room. And see, Dr. Bonzi, I bought him and I said Bonzi. Yes, Dr. Bonzi of Holy Trinity. Now, who fair? Oh, my goodness. Yes, he's a very nice man. And then from my own boss, I salute, sir, Father, sir, to Joyce Odame, okay, from Auntie B through Father Dixon to Joyce Odame. Okay. Auntie Joyce Odame, it's your birthday today. Father, I need to see you today because it's been a long while. My holiday allowance. Yeah. As often when I was Jesus sweet, no. Jesus sweet. I say, baby, yes, you see, Jesus sweet.
Doctor Debao.
Doctor
Debao, the holiday allowance.
The Kwame Nkrumah allowance.
I was what Debao. Father, bra.
Oh, Father, dear.
Who did you?
What else?
Father, one.
Munya Father, no be. Why? Enti enu anu. Enti asem na me kan no so mama yam fa na ni brese. Mama yam fa nya asese. E wo Ghana ha se. Ye ni abre pa. Esa be ha ya dwen yam pesa anima ne ti. Eno no ye da ye ho akwa ba fia. Ye ba board the bokrata no so. Na afi ya to aso. Yeah. Ye kwa club.
Ye kwa club be basisi a.